everyone, welcome back to my daily English practice series. I am Yasmin and I am on a journey to become very fluent in speaking in English, and I started this journey few days ago, and this is my day 7 of practice, and I shared my daily progress with you, and I also want to help others who also want to become very fluent in speaking in English. So if you are a beginner, you must watch this video, and you guys are doing well. So I just want to ask you one thing, like how you guys are feeling these days. And I hope this is mango season, so you guys are enjoying all of those sweet mangoes. And I just want to tell you that if you are working hard in this extreme hot weather, please take rest when you need to, and please drink a lot of water and stay hydrated. And I just want to ask you, if you have any summer tips for us, please let us know in the comment section. As I mentioned before, speaking really well in English is really important for me, especially as a small YouTuber, because I really want to reach global audience. So you guys from different countries can easily get my message, and it will help me to build a stronger connection between me and my viewers, and it will really help me to boost my confidence. Like when I talk every day to my viewers, it will really help me to boost my confidence. So it is really important, and it will really help me to grow, and it will really help me in future, like collaboration with other creators, and I can learn about more cultures, and it will really feel me more proud of myself. Like when I can see my own improvement, it will really feel so proud. It will help me to improve my communication, and communication is really important in these days. And as I mentioned before, I really got nervous while speaking in front of camera or speaking in public place, and that's why I have to practice every single day, because I have to keep pushing myself, because I really want to get improved. That's why I practice every single day, and I am sharing my progress. This is my day 7 of practice, and although I am making a lot of mistakes, but I want to tell you that I really feel more confident. Like if you watch my previous video, you can see the difference. And if you have same problem, like you can understand but you can't speak in front of camera or in public place, so you have to follow this, because as I have you mentioned before, like I really wanted to speak in English very well for a long time, but I never did that because I never practiced. I used to watch a lot of videos, but I never practiced. So I want to tell you that if you really want to become very fluent in speaking in English, please try to watch and try to listen more English. And most important thing, you have to practice. Practice is the most important thing you can do for yourself if you really want to become very fluent in speaking in English. Because I am telling you this because this is really working for me, and I hope this will work you for too. So you have to practice every single day. And if you think you really don't have anyone whom you can practice every single day, I have a solution for you. Like as I mentioned before, I am from a village, and I really don't anyone whom I can practice every single day, because most of the people around me always speaking in Bengali, and even my family members always speaking in Bengali. So I really don't have anyone whom I can practice. But I am doing this. How? I'm do- I decided that if I really want to become very fluent, I have to practice, because I used to watch a lot of videos. They really did not work for me. That's why I decided I have to practice, and that's why I am practicing in front of camera. So you have to do the same thing. If you really don't have anyone, you can just open your camera and talk in front of it, or when you are alone you can speak by yourself. But I must tell you, you have to open your camera and please speak in front of it, and it will really help you, because you can listen your own mistake. And if you listen your mistake every single day and again, you can really get improved, and you can really find the solution. You can see your own mistake. And I telling you, if you want to become very fluent in speaking in English, you must have to practice. And if you really want to become fluent, you have to practice and start from today, because you don't want to be late, and I also don't want you to do the same mistake I did before. So I want you to start from today. and I am telling you that you have to share your journey on YouTube, because if you do this you will really get better result, because you can see your own mistake and you can mm, get feedback from viewers, and that will really help you and it will make you stay consistent with your goals. And you might think like what people think if I make a lot of mistake, but I am telling you people will appreciate your hard work, and they will love watching your journey, so you must do it. And all of this for today everyone. I hope you guys are doing well. I will post again tomorrow, so bye everyone.